In major political development, former NPP Manipur President Y. Kumar has officially launched his own political front, NPP Tera, and inaugurated a brand new party office at Mayol Office Complex in Iroshemba today. The new party was named as a powerful tribute to the legacy of Tera, who was instrumental in elevating the original regional party NPP to national prominence. The party flag was also raised at the newly inaugurated office during the event. Speaking to media persons, NPP Tera President Y. Kumar announced that deep-seated ideological rifts and misaligned views with NPP National President Conrad Sangma have led to the birth of NPP Tera. He revealed that the decision to split was made months ago, with the party registration process at Election Commission of India underway since December 26, 2025. Looking ahead to the Manipur Assembly elections, the party plans to field at least 30 candidates across various constituencies, centering its core agenda on the future of Manipur's indigenous people and the restoration of normalcy in the state. Kumar further emphasized that the primary objective of NPP Tera is not merely to hold power, but to bridge the deep communal divide and bring a lasting resolution to the state's prevailing crisis. Standing as a front for all communities, he concluded by appealing for public support to lead the state toward development and peace.